Yep, hello, my name's Derek Morgan and I've got D&S Morgan Rural Fencing. We're based just outside of Ballarat in Victoria. We've been in the game for probably about 38 years. We've been in the game. We've done all sorts of types of fencing. Most of what we do is for cattle, some sheep and horses and so forth, but the bulk of it is for cattle. We've tried all sorts of different fences, from concrete ends to pine and hardwood, but probably the last 3 to 4 years we've been probably 90% of our end assemblies are with the Rotech ends. We've found that they're easy to put in, quick and simple. Not only can a professional do it, but just a normal farmer, he doesn't need a lot of fancy equipment to put them in. Very quick and easy. We've found that they hold well. We like to use them a lot in and around rocky country as well. We find that we can core drill through rock with augers that are the exact size of the post, the strainer post, and they hold really well. Same in well, this ground here that we've got is like a chocolate soil, pretty loose. But we've found using their lockdown lugs that they hold very well. Yeah, so that works out good. Yeah.